Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 6a running Android 13, and I picked this up just to use it while I was waiting on my Z Fold 4 to come in. I'm going to be trading in my S22 Ultra for the Z Fold 4. It should be here in the next couple days, so look forward to some unboxings and videos on that, as well as a bunch of accessories from Whitestone Dome and first-party accessories from Samsung as well. But I picked this up just to have something on Android 13 since it's going to be a little while before the Fold 4 gets it, and I was running the beta on my S22 Ultra, so I just wanted something that, you know, if an update came out, I would be able to check it out and make some videos of it, especially since the Pixel updates come out about every month with security patches, and then we see feature drops about every 3 months. I did pick up the chalk one, which is very nice. This is probably the first time in a long time that I've had a phone that's not like black or space gray. So it's kind of a darker white up here, up like a pearl white down here, very nice, and then we have the black aluminum sides, which I think the black and white just looks really nice. Probably one of the favorite colors for a Pixel. But I just picked this up today. Like I said, it's running Android 13. That's the first thing I did, was update it to Android 13. And it's nothing special. I got it on sale for $3.99, so I figured I'd pick one up. But it looks very nice. The screen isn't too bad. It does have some pretty big bezels. It's not going to be something like your Pixel 6 or 6 Pro with the rounded edges on the 6 Pro, but it doesn't look bad. I believe it is a 90 Hz refresh rate screen, which you can't change. There's no setting for it, but you get the basics. You can change the color profile and stuff like that. You get the always on display like this with the clock and the weather and everything and the date, as well as notifications right there. One cool thing I like, this is an Android 13 specific, I was doing this on Android 12 too, when you turn it off, how it fades out towards the power button. Just think that's super cool. Got your volume right here with your sound control, your vibrate control, that kind of stuff right there. So it's running very well. I believe it's a 6GB version with 128 gigabytes of storage, and then the Google Tensor CPU. So running very well on Android 13. I'm actually very impressed with how smooth it is for a $449 device, or in my case, like I said, $399 because it was on sale. Just went on sale this week. I believe most places you can get it, Amazon, Best Buy, all those kind of places, it will probably be the same price. But check your local retailers for all that information. So first impressions, very, very nice, and I love it. So just going to be something that's going to be a little bit of a mid-range phone, like I said, until my Z Fold 4 comes in. I'm Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible.